Hello friends, Running Kimono here. I hope you're all doing fantastic. This is your Walgreens preview for the week of September the 7th to the 13th. Lots of very reasonable deals in this week's ad. First thing we're going to talk about are the two different boosters, a 5-back when you buy 3 dental care online and a 10-back when you spend 45. That is either online or in store, and that is the best value in my humble opinion. So the first thing we're going to talk about is something that has nothing to do with Walgreens. Over at Kohl's, in celebration of their 20 years of Kohl's Cash, they're having this ultimate giveaway, meaning today, which is Saturday the 6th, or Sunday the 7th. If you are one of the first shoppers to walk in, you will get a little piece of paper that is instant Kohl's Cash. It's either 5, 10, up to 100, always a mystery. I got $10 of Kohl's Cash a couple days ago, and I got some little face towels. And if you look at the receipt, I didn't even pay tax. If you might have a Kohl's near you, if you can head in there sometime in the morning, typically when they're handing these out, it's totally worth it, and you can do it both Saturday and Sunday. Now, the summer clearance over at Walgreens, last Tuesday the 2nd, it went 80. And I had a theory that I thought maybe it would go 90 the following Tuesday. But if you look at the paperwork, it says it's supposed to go either probably out of the store or box it up by the 19th, which is a Friday. So we're going to have to really pay attention to Tuesday the 9th online. Am I right or am I wrong? I don't know. There still was a good amount of stuff in the store, so people are not going, crazy and having their prices right moment at 80%. Let's please treat this video as a preview. The full ad, along with all of the digital manufacturers, will be published in the Walgreens app on Sunday the 7th. So just keep that in mind, just to be extra smart. Curbside, we have this, which is a 2-day flash sale of 20% off a $35+ order, which we can do using the code FLASH20 on the 9th and 10th, which is Tuesday and Wednesday. So I will most definitely have Curbside dealios with that code because it seems pretty magical. If you guys could do me a huge kindness and please give this video a big enthusiastic thumbs up, I would be so grateful if you guys could take a second and like the video. It really helps me out and the channel if you could just like the video. Deal that we're looking at is the Purex detergent for $1.99, and these are the 38 loaders. You're getting quite the value for $1.99. So 5 of them would be $9.95. If you might have $10 in Walgreens cash or a register reward and something else to throw in there, by all means, make this happen, especially if you're a newer couponer really trying to build your stockpile. And let's not forget, class, you're doing this deal with no booster. Pop quiz for you. What is a booster? These are your boosters. The top one's a paper, the bottom one's a digital. And when I'm saying not to use Walgreens cash with a booster, it's because if you use it in concert with these, you will not get your Walgreens cash back. They are a casino that does not like to lose, and that's one of the stipulations. So when I'm saying a no booster deal, that means you're not using either of these in your transaction. Everybody's favorite shampoo, L'Oreal Elvive. $4 register reward when you buy 2 with a 3 off 2 digital coupon, and it's on sale 2 for $10. Grabbing 2 of these lovely shampoos, that's going to be $10. Subtracting the 3 off of 2, you'll pay $7, get back a $4 register reward, making it $3 for the 2 or $1.50 per shampoo. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster, but this is a heck of a deal and very cheap L'Oreal Elvive. We usually don't see it for this price point, so go and make this one happen, guys, because I know a lot of you really like the Elvive shampoo. We also have a deal at the $6 Head and Shoulder shampoo, so I think it'll be the smaller bottles. And last time they were not $6, so we'll have to pay attention to that. Grabbing 2 for $6, that's going to be $12. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $9. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $6 for the 2 or $3 per Head and Shoulders. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. We have a really cheap deal for the 350 Oral-B or the 350 Crest. Picking up 3 of them, we have a 5 off 3 digital coupon and a $5 reward when you buy 3. So 3 of them will be $10.50. Subtracting the coupon, you'll pay $5.50, get back a $5 register reward, making it 50 cents for the 3 or 16 cents per toothpaste or the toothbrush. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. You could use up to $5 in Walgreens cash to earn that $5 register reward. Tresemme is back to $6, which I love to see. Last week, I think it was $7, so didn't like that one very much. But grabbing 2 of the cheaper Tresemmes for $12, subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $7, get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for the 2 or $1 per shampoo. And it is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. So not bad for those larger bottles of the Tresemme shampoo, and I know a lot of us really enjoy it. The Dove body wash. If you are in desperate need of it, it's a deal, but it's not a sensational deal because we've seen better. 2 of these at $8 a pop is $16. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $12. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $9 for the 2 or $4.50 per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. If you might have stumbled across one of these from a photo print or transaction, a 5 back when you spend $15, why not throw it into this next transaction? The $5.49 for the Bounce Downy Gain Tide Laundry Care. $5 reward when you purchase 4. Grabbing 4 of those products, it's going to be $21.96. I think some of them have $1.50 or $1 digitals. Load all of those. Scan the booster. So you'll pay $16.96 with your debit card. Get back a $5 register reward and $5 in Walgreens cash, making it $6.96 for the 4 or $1.74 per. Do not use any Walgreens cash as you're using that paper booster of the 5 back when you spend $15. Trend is back. The $4 Colgate Dental Care, $3 reward when you buy 2 with the 4 off 2 digital coupon. Grabbing 2 of these products, it's going to be $8. Subtracting that digital coupon, you'll pay $4. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $1 for 2 or 50 cents per. It is okay to use Walgreens cash if you're doing the deal with no booster. This is one of these we're going to have to wait and see on Sunday morning what the 7 off. Is it a 7 off 3 or a 7 off 2? Grabbing 2 of those secret deodorants at $8.79 on a BOGO 50% off. That's $13.18. If that coupon is what I think it's going to be, you'll pay $6.18. Get back a $3 register reward, making it $3.18 for the 2 or $1.59. This is exactly what I'm talking about. This is a stock up price. If you like the secret bar deodorant, you know this is a heck of a deal. We'll have to wait for the details on Sunday. Let's talk about some quick honorable mentions, guys. The first one goes to a $5 Walgreens card when you buy 2 DoorDash or Sony PlayStation cards. I think that's typically like $25, so you'll have to buy $50 of gift cards to earn that $5 gift card. Pretty straightforward. And we also have this plug. It's $3.50. We have a $3.50 digital coupon. So if you didn't get it last week, I think this is the week to grab it. If you need to grab a couple, like a plug for your stockpile. A lot of us probably have too many of these in our stockpile. Buy one, get one 50% off on the Ajax Fabuloso and a $1 digital coupon. I'm going to want to see what those prices are. Is it going to be a sales price, yes or no? And the $5 Scott toilet paper, is it still going to be the store coupon off of that? Or are we going to get a manufacturer and a store coupon? That would be really great for the Scott. And 2 for $5 with the Cheerios, with IBOTTA, and a digital coupon. We'll have to see how this one plays out on Sunday. That is it for this video, guys. As always, thanks for watching, and we will catch you in the next one. Have a great Saturday afternoon. Bye, guys.